Hi, Jay Dean here for Energy Partners, and I'm here to welcome you to our SolarEdge Showroom. We invite you to come down to our SolarEdge Smart Business Experience. Here you will learn about the Synergy inverter technology and the difference between standard string inverters to our SolarEdge DC optimized solution. Improve your bottom line. Learn how to harvest more power from each panel. Save 50% on electrical wiring on the roof. Increase your system capacity with more panels on the roof. Secure your investment. Free panel level monitoring. Complete system status on your mobile device. Cost-saving maintenance. Future compatibility and warranty. Protecting your assets. Providing the highest safety for installers, electricians and firefighters. Better suited for future insurance requirements. We are your partner for commercial PV, so come down and experience our Solar Smart showroom and discover more power, more revenue and more insight.